Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you how to automate MS Excel invoice template. To do this, I don't use any VBA coding part. So this is very simple. So listen carefully, then you can create your own automate MS Excel invoice template. Right, before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. On the other hand, I want to remind you that you can download this invoice template by following the link given in the video description. So my invoice template is look like this. So now I will explain the process. Or you can insert your own logo or business logo here. To add your own logo, what you should do is you need to click on this insert tab and select picture, then insert or select the location, then you can add your own logo. So it is much simple. I don't want to explain it further. So this is the step 1. So step 2, these cells you can add your own business name, address and contact details. Now third step is invoice date, or you need to populate invoice date under F4 cell. So here I'm going to enter simple function inside the F4 cell. So it is like this: put equal mark, then today, open and close brackets, then enter. You see, now we have invoice date. That is step 3. Step 4, invoice number. So invoice number comes here. So before explaining this process, you can see my invoice template contains other 3 sheets. This one is database. This product sheet includes all the product details, and the customers sheet includes customer details. I want to take customize invoice number here. To do that, I need to add a small function here under the F6 cell. So my invoice number I have entered under the B1 cell inside the database sheet. Then under the F6 cell, you need to add following function to get invoice number. Put equal mark, text, open bracket, today, open and close brackets, then put a comma, then open inverted commas. So there you need to add date format, year, then month, then close inverted commas and close bracket, then again put and mark, then again open inverted commas. I need to add and mark here after the inverted commas, like this. Yeah, now it works. Now my invoice number is like this. 225 is the year and the 07 is the month, and this is the invoice number. So if I change my invoice number here like this, 11002, then what happens? My invoice number change in here accordingly. So that is how to customize invoice number according to default format. Right, now invoice number part also okay. So what is the step 5? So under the step 5, I need to enter the due date. To enter due date, you need to add this function. It is very simple function, equal today, open and close brackets, plus 30, then enter. So so here I assume that I give 30 days grace period for my customers. Therefore I add 30 days inside this. After today date, I want to add 30 days, then due date goes to August 28. So like that. So that is how to change the due date of my invoice template. Then the other important thing, or the step 6, is bill to. So bill to means customer address. So here I should be able to add dynamic details, because here I need to select various customers according to invoices. Then my customer sheet is here. Then I want to add customer name here. To add the customer name, what should I do? Place your cell pointer inside the B12 cell. So that is where I want to get the customer name. Then click on the data tab. Then select data validation. So click on this downward arrow and select data validation. So once you click on the data validation, you can see a message box like this. So there you need to select list from this top down menu. After that, you need to select the source. To select the source, just click on this arrow, then go to the customer table following cell range B2 to customer name. Then again click on this arrow and press OK button. Yeah. Now we have customer list here. So it shows under the customer list shows under the B12 cell, right? Like this. Now I want to get customer or company name. I want to get the company name here under the B13 tab. So how to get the company name? To get the company name, you need to add VLOOKUP function. You need to use VLOOKUP function here. So how to use VLOOKUP function? So I'll show you. Then put equal mark, then VLOOKUP. After that, give the reference cell number B12. So here, that is the cell where customer name displays. Then give reference to B12 cell. Then put a comma. Then customers. Okay, our sheet name, customers. Put exclamation mark, then the cell reference, $mark B, again $mark 2, then $mark F, $mark, then 11. After that, put a comma. Then we need to get what we call company name. Then press 2, then again comma, then false. Then close the bracket. Now enter. Then save the process. Now you see, once we select the customer name, then address of the company name change accordingly. So after that, I want to take customer address. Now company name, okay. Now I want to take company address. So in this case, I'm going to copy and paste the same function. So here, then I want to change the following things after copying. Then here I want to get the address. Therefore, I need to change number 2 to 3. Then press enter. Here you can see now we have customer address. So after that, I want to get customer phone number. To get the phone number, I'm going to copy and paste the same VLOOKUP function, and I want to change this to B12, and I need to change number 3 to number 4. Then enter. Now we have company telephone number. So finally, I want to take the company email, so the customer's email, then again copy and paste. So here again B12, then here number 5, just enter. Now we have customer email also. So once you select the customer, then details change accordingly. Now we have VLOOKUP function. We use VLOOKUP function to get that result. Now step 7 is adding product details. Now we need to add product details to this grid. I'm going to do the same thing I did to get the customer name. So I want to get product description here. So therefore, firstly I am going to select this cell range. It means B20 to B30 cell range. I selected B20 to B30 cell range. Then again go to the data tab and select data validation. So there again select list from this drop down list. Now again click on this arrow and go to the product sheet. Then select the products like this. Then again click on this arrow. Then press OK. Now you see we have product details. Like now I want to populate unit price according to the product selection. Now to take the unit price according to the product, again I am going to use VLOOKUP function. So I am going to add my VLOOKUP function here under the E20. So here to avoid the not available error, I'm going to add a if error before the function, if error before the function. So under the E20 I am going to type like this, put equal marks, then if error, then open brackets, then VLOOKUP, again open bracket, then the reference cell is B20, 20 comma, I want to give the reference to the product sheet. So products, put exclamation mark, dollar mark B, again dollar mark, again dollar mark C, dollar mark, then say 100, put comma 2, comma false, close brackets, then comma, then open inverted commas and again close inverted comma, then close brackets, then press enter. Now you can see automatically change according to the B12 selection. Okay, according to the drop down according to the product, what happens, unit price change accordingly. Now I can drag my function like this. Okay, I use this if error method, therefore no any errors detects if the values are not available in here, no any error because of this error handling. Now I want to get the total. To get the total, again I need to type a small function, put equal mark, if error, open bracket, then the relevant cell number is D20 multiplied by E20. It means quantity multiplied by unit price, then comma 0, close brackets, then enter. Then you can drag this function like that. Now here if I enter quantity, what happens, it automatically calculate the totals and it will calculate the other values also, other values accordingly. So likewise you can automate this invoice template without any coding knowledge. So I will add download link, then you can freely download this template and develop your own template according to your needs. Then if you want to print, you can manually print by pressing Ctrl P, then you can see this kind of preview. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Let's meet with in another video like this. Goodbye.